Pi Network just announced 3 updates dropping this week, and the most technically significant one is getting the least attention. Protocol v25 launches July 22nd and introduces zero-knowledge cryptography to Pi's smart contract layer. We're also covering the first visual refresh of the Pi mining app in years, plus a quiet but notable wallet creation change. Let's break all 3 down. Update 1. Protocol v25, Zero-Knowledge Cryptography. Protocol v25 is scheduled for Wednesday, July 22nd. Pi describes the upgrade as primarily focused on network stability and reliability, but the headline technical edition is significant for developers building on Pi. v25 introduces 2 cryptographic building blocks, BN254 elliptic curve cryptography and Poseidon hashing. These are the technical foundations needed to build zero-knowledge proof applications commonly called ZK apps. Let's explain what that actually means in plain language. A zero-knowledge proof is a way of proving something is true without revealing the underlying information. Classic example, you want to prove you're over 18 to access a service, but you don't want to hand over your date of birth, passport number, or any other personal data. A ZK proof lets you say, I meet the age requirement, and the app can verify that's true without you ever sharing the actual details. Before Protocol v25, building this kind of application on Pi was technically difficult. After v25, developers have the native cryptographic tools to build ZK apps directly on Pi's blockchain. For Pi specifically, this connects directly to what Pi already does well, identity verification. Pi Verify, which launched on Pi 2 Day, makes Pi's KYC capabilities available to external businesses. Protocol v25 means developers can now build applications where Pi's verified identity becomes a privacy-preserving proof, confirming that a user has been verified without exposing the underlying identity data to the application. That's a meaningful upgrade for any app that needs to verify eligibility, credentials, or compliance without becoming a data liability. One practical note, if you run a Pi node, you need to upgrade to v25 at your earliest convenience to remain connected to the network. Pi has also flagged that v26 is coming, so stay tuned. Update 2. Mining App Redesign. The Pi mining app is the most used interface in the Pi ecosystem, the daily touchpoint for over 60 million pioneers, and by most accounts, it's been functional but visually dated. Pi has now started addressing that. This week's update covers 2 areas, the side menu and the app profile page. The side menu, accessed through the hamburger icon in the top left, has been reorganized with a clearer layout, better visual hierarchy, and improved navigation. Pioneers can now more easily find the mainnet checklist, mining information, featured Pi apps, and other key ecosystem features in one place. The app profile page has also been refreshed with improved styling and organization. And dark mode is now available, a feature pioneers have been requesting for a long time. Pi is being transparent that this is the beginning of a broader, iterative redesign, not a complete overhaul all at once. That's a deliberate choice. The mining app is central to Pi's daily user experience, and Pi doesn't want to disrupt the familiarity that 60 million users have built up with it. The approach is to improve gradually, collect feedback, and continue refining. If you want to influence what comes next, Pi has opened a feedback channel directly from the app. What's worth noting is that Pi explicitly cited Pioneer feedback as the reason this refresh is happening, so the feedback loop appears to be working. Update 3 Banxa removed from in-app wallet creation. This one is straightforward but worth explaining clearly. Previously, Banxa, a third-party fiat-to-crypto service, was available as an in-app option for mainnet wallet creation. Pi is removing it from the in-app UI. The reason? Fast Track KYC is now available inside the Pi app, which handles identity verification and mainnet wallet creation directly within the Pi experience. With that native option available, the Banxa in-app integration is redundant. Important clarification, Banxa isn't going away entirely. It remains a KYB-verified third-party service, and Pi remains available through Banxa where it's supported. Pioneers can still use Banxa externally. It's just no longer presented as an in-app option for wallet creation. This is a streamlining decision, not a removal of a service pioneers depend on. How these 3 updates connect. Step back, and these three updates form a coherent picture of where Pi is focused right now. Protocol v25 deepens the technical foundation for privacy-preserving applications, extending what developers can build on Pi's blockchain. The mining app Redesign improves the daily user experience for the 60 million pioneers who interact with Pi every day. And the Banxa change simplifies the wallet creation process by consolidating it into Pi's native KYC flow. Each update is removing friction for developers, for daily users, and for new pioneers trying to complete migration. That's consistent with Pi's broader push to make the ecosystem more accessible and more capable at the same time. Balanced take. A few honest notes. Zero-knowledge cryptography is a significant technical capability, but its value depends entirely on developers actually building ZK applications on Pi. The infrastructure is now there. Whether the developer community uses it is the next question. The mining app Redesign is incremental by design. Dark mode and a cleaner side menu are welcome improvements, but pioneers expecting a dramatic visual transformation should expect that to come gradually over multiple updates. And the Banxa removal is minor, but any change to wallet creation deserves clear communication, which Pi has provided. Protocol v25 lands July 22nd. Upgrade your node if you run one. The mining app refresh is live now. Tap the hamburger icon and explore the new design. And Banxa is out of the in-app UI, with Fast Track KYC handling wallet creation going forward. 3 updates, 1 week. Pi's development pace is continuing. What do you think of the new mining app design? And are you excited about zero-knowledge proofs on Pi? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more Pi ecosystem breakdowns.